Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Life by Kimberly and James Dean. Tips from a cool cat for living an awesome life. Life takes courage. Be brave. Pete. To begin, begin. William Wordsworth. Go with the flow. Pete. If you don't know where you're going, any path will get you there. Lewis Carroll. Keep it simple. Chill out. Pete. Life is real simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Confucius. Far out. With friends, you are never alone. Pete. Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light. Helen Keller. Amazing things happen when you work hard. Pete. Opportunity is missed by most people because it comes dressed in overalls and looks like work. Thomas Edison. Go for it. Pete. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Oscar Wilde. If you want to be cool, just be you. Pete. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that an airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Henry Ford. Groovy. If you try, you can fly. Pete. Look for the good in every day. Pete. Make each day your masterpiece. John Wooden. It's cool to color outside the lines. Pete. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. Pablo Picasso. Nothing is impossible. Pete. You must do the things you think you cannot do. Eleanor Roosevelt. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Pete. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Ralph Waldo Emerson. With a smile and a little kindness you can make someone's day better. Pete. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. Plato. Above the clouds the sun is always shining. Pete. This too shall pass. Unknown. Don't talk too much. Pete. A meowing cat catches no mice. It's a Yiddish proverb. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Thomas Edison. There are no failures, just lessons. Pete. Being different is very cool, and there is something everyone can do. Pete. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Attributed to Albert Einstein. Don't lose hope. Keep on rocking. Pete. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tunes without the words and never stops at all. Emily Dickinson. Be happy. Pete. Most folks are happy as they make up their minds to be. Abraham Lincoln. It can get tough, but you are tougher. Pete. Smooth seas do not make a skillful sailor. Proverbs. Dude, don't even think about it. Pete. A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something new he can learn in no other way. Mark Twain. Keep strummin'. Pete. If music be the food of love, play on. William Shakespeare. Kindness starts with me. Pete. Be kind whenever possible, and it is always possible. Dalai Lama the 14th. It's a good day. Pete. A well-spent day brings happy sleep. Leonardo da Vinci. The end.